Welcome to Logical's Infrastructure Teardown. If your team is scaling past 500 users on Jira, you're about to hit a wall, and Atlassian marketing won't warn you about it. The core problem. Jira positions itself as the universal project and issue tracking backbone for engineering and operations teams at every scale. But past 500 users, the gap between that promise and the architectural reality is where real costs and integration ceilings hide. Now the architecture reality check. Jira Cloud runs on a true multi-tenant model, and its REST API enforces a dynamic, cost-based rate-limiting budget rather than a fixed hourly cap, throttling requests based on tenant load, endpoint cost, and plan tier. For teams running CI/CD pipelines, automation rules, or third-party integrations, that budget gets consumed fast under heavy concurrency. Jira Data Center, by contrast, runs on your own infrastructure, giving you full API throughput control, but plug-in isolation remains a concern for legacy P2 apps running in the same JVM, though Atlassian's Forge platform now provides sandboxed execution for newer integrations. Cloud offers sandboxed app environments, but marketplace apps with broad API scopes still access cross-project data, creating tenant isolation gaps that security-conscious enterprises cannot ignore. Now the hidden cost. Jira Cloud Premium lists at roughly $17.65 per user per month, and enterprise pricing for larger deployments is quote-based, removing all cost predictability. Jira Data Center licensing runs into the tens of thousands annually for 500 users, but add infrastructure, DBA overhead, and mandatory support fees, and true TCO climbs sharply before a single custom plugin is deployed. Either path carries a cost cliff that most procurement teams discover only at renewal. The logical verdict. If you need API throughput control and deep customization, Data Center is technically superior, but only if you have the ops team to maintain it. If you're cloud first and under 500 users, Jira Cloud is defensible, but model your user growth now before the pricing tier forces a painful migration. For alternatives and current pricing breakdowns, check the links in the description and subscribe for more infrastructure teardowns that cut through the noise.